Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a Fab Fit Fun unboxing. It is the winter box and I have partnered with Fab Fit Fun, try saying that 100 times on this video. And guys, I am so pumped about this box. So let's just talk about a few things first, about the fact that winter is coming, which excites me because it means Thanksgiving and Christmas and just like my favorite time of the year. It's cozy, but I hate the cold. And that's the only downside of it, but with every positive thing, there is a negative thing. So I've got my cozy little fire, my little Christmas tree, I'm in my cozy little sweater, and I am so excited for today's video. Also, if you guys have noticed, I did color my hair a little bit. My aunt did it. She is the best, so thank you, Aunt Lee, if you're watching this. So if you guys saw my last Fab Fit Fun unboxing video, then you know that I absolutely love Fab Fit Fun. Look how cute this season's box is. So if you don't know what Fab Fit Fun is, it is a seasonal subscription box. So that means that you get 4 boxes a year. Each box is $49.99, but I do have a $10 off code. It is JACLYNB. I will put it on the screen, so that will get you $10 off your purchase, which is huge, so that makes the box $39.99. And the best part is that each box is over $200 worth of stuff inside. They are all full-size products, and I absolutely love getting it. And what I love about it is, like, I'm not the kind of person that just wants to go spend money on something I've never tried before. Like, I'm the kind of person, I know my favorite products, so I just keep reusing them. So this is a good way to find new products without feeling like you're spending a ton of money on things you don't like. So anyway, with all of that being said, let's get into the box. So I already showed you guys the front, but look how cute it is. So I'm gonna open it up. I am so excited. So I already took a peek because I really wanted to know what was inside. So I'm sorry I cheated a little bit, but I can assure you this month's box is literally the best box I've ever seen. So this is what the inside looks like. It's super cute. And so you open it up and it comes with the magazine for the month. So this gives you everything's price and all of that. I love that they have this because it just lets you know everything that you could have gotten, and you can customize your own box so you can choose things that you want inside of it. As you can see, there's like little things, it's like or, so you could choose those. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in my box. So the first thing that I saw when I opened this up, my roommates can attest to this, I freaked out when I saw this. Let me cover up my code. So I freaked out whenever I saw this because they give you a $60 gift card to HelloFresh. I'm covering up the code because that's what you have to use, and I don't want anybody taking my $60. So guys, that's literally more than what the box is worth. So I think that is so awesome, especially if this is a mom treating herself. That's so easy to do for your family. Or if you're like me and you're in college and you don't want to eat Chick-fil-A every day and you have time to cook a little bit, this is going to be perfect. So I cannot wait to use this. I'll definitely do a cook with me video if you guys want to see it. Comment down below if you do. Okay, and then the first thing that I saw, I was so excited about because I know I love this. So this is the full-size Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask. I love this brand. I use their deep hair masks all the time. I've never tried the Gold Series one. So this is what it looks like, and I bet it smells just as good as the, oh. Yes, so you just put this on while you're in the shower, let it sit there for a while. All the instructions are on the back, but whenever you get out of the shower, it literally feels like you just got back from the salon. You know how your hair just feels fresh and soft? This is what it makes it feel like. And this is $49, so that, no words, you know, no words. Okay, so the next thing that I see is this black, I think that's how you pronounce the brand. Not 100% sure. And this is $30. So it comes with 5 eye masks, or 5 sets of eye masks. So it's these. I'm gonna love this because I get really, really, really puffy eyes in the morning. And so using these helps so much. So I'm really excited for that. And it's good just to give moisture under your eyes. Okay, so the next thing that I see is this Elevate 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange. Ooh, that's fun. So it comes with these essential oils, which they have them wrapped all nice. So that's the sweet orange, and this is the eucalyptus. Wow, that will be fun. I know Emily has a little diffuser thing, so I'll probably give these to her unless I get a diffuser. I have wanted one for a while, I just haven't felt like actually buying one. And this essential oil set is $31. Okay, so the next thing that I see is this Brilliant Eye Brightener by Thrive Cosmetics. So this is a highlighting stick. Oh, that's fun and easy. So I'm gonna open it up. Oh yeah, this is fun. So it's just like a little crayon. I'm sitting on my cardigan, but let me mark this on my hand. Let's see if we can see it. Do you see how sparkly that is? That is so cute. I think this would be really good to put in the inner corner of your eye or under the eyebrow bone or even on your cheeks like a regular highlighter. So this is really cute. It's in the shade Stella and this is $24. So that is awesome. Okay, the next thing that I got is this Ahava Hydrating Cream Mask. So, oh, that's good because my skin is super dry. So this is what it looks like, and this is worth $33. Okay, I'm super excited to try this because my skin has been so dry, so I'm actually definitely going to use this tonight. I'm super pumped about this because, like, I'm never the kind of person that just wants to go out and spend $30 on skincare, but when it comes to something like this, that is just the best thing ever because it helps you try it out. Okay, I'm going to try this tonight. I cannot wait to use that. Okay, this I am so excited about. Okay, this is called the Halston Jewelry Portfolio. So, I travel all the time and I always just put my jewelry in a bag and it always gets tangled. I actually just came back from home last night and I have a necklace that's like layered and it's literally standing over there. Standing, necklaces don't stand. It's like on my stand and it's all tangled up. But if I would have brought this with me, so this is a little organizer for when you travel. So this comes off and you can put your necklaces right here, or you can flip it upside down and put them right here. And then it has this little separating piece and it has spots for your earrings and then another thing and then a zipper. And you could also use this for headphones, any wires or anything. Just anything that you don't like to get tangled would be awesome to put in here. So this is going to be really great for traveling, and it's super thin, so if you're ever like going on a plane and you've got really nice jewelry, you can just stick this in your carry-on with you. That is awesome. I'm super excited about this. My cardigan is falling off. Okay, so this next thing that I got, I'm super excited about this because I love Bite Beauty lipsticks. They're one of my favorite lipsticks, but I, like I said, never really want to go out and buy them because I've got my favorite shades and it's like, why would I go out and buy another one? So I'm super excited because they give you a full-size one in the shade meringue. I don't know, I'm not even gonna try, but what I love is that I feel like in other sample boxes, especially like the monthly ones, you get weird colors, you know, like a bright red or bright blue, and it's like, I will never wear that, but this is the prettiest natural color. So I am so excited to use this, and I already know that I love their formulas, so I know this will become an everyday lipstick for me. And that is worth $26. Okay, so then the next thing that I got, I'm super pumped about this because I forgot what YouTuber was using this, but I saw them use it and I was like, I really want to try that. But obviously I was like, I'm not gonna actually go out and buy that because it's $45 and who wants to spend $45? So what it is just a roller, so you just like roll out your face. This is like an anti-aging roller, so you just roll it on your face. It's been around for a very long time and it's made out of jade. I'll read the little description thing for you so you can better understand it. Okay, it says, no wonder this anti-aging beauty tool has been used by empresses for centuries. The jade roller helps stimulate QI energy and promote a feeling of facial relaxation. So I feel like it just creates energy in your face, which is just good, and it's really cold, which feels really good. I feel like this would be good for bags under your eyes. I don't know, it just feels really good. So I'm excited to use this for like on the nights I just want to pamper myself, you know? Okay, so this is the last thing that I got. It's this Mark & Graham scarf. It is this really pretty color, and then there's fringe on the end that you can't see. I'm really excited for this because it's been really cold lately, and I'm going to start needing scarves whenever I walk to class, so this will be perfect, and this color goes with everything. So I'm super excited about this, and you can also just like leave it hanging somewhere like over a couch or something and it will look so cute. So it has a multi-purpose to it, and that is $49. So my box was well worth over $200. That was amazing stuff. This is probably the best box that I've gotten, and I am just in love with it. I cannot wait to use that HelloFresh gift card. That is seriously amazing. I will have FabFitFun linked down below, and you can also use my code JACLYNB for $10 off. Just check out the description box. I always put everything you need to know down there. And yeah, I really hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.